Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. You already know I am Avis, and today we'll be talking about some beauty hacks, you guys. Some beauty hacks that women like to do and like to use. And you guys, I have posted a few of them myself on here before, and today we're going to be talking about the boobies. Okay, because it seems like every woman wants, to look their complete best, no matter if you're 25 or 45, it does not matter. A woman always want to make sure she looks nice. She always, try to keep herself looking youthful, looking, up to par. So today I will be talking to you about boob. And you guys know, well, some of you guys know, I have lost like over 130 some pounds. And due to that, my boobies are like, like socks. They're not so full and plump anymore because the majority of the fat that was inside of my boobies are gone, and I need some type of breast augmentation. And I said, well, I'm not the one for cosmetic surgery as far as the boobies go, but I'm all down for the tummy tucks. I'm down with the tummy tucks, but the boobies, it's to each its own. I don't have a problem with them, but I don't know if I really want it. That's not on my to-do list. But the tummy tuck thing is definitely on my to-do list. But there are some things we can do to make ourselves look nice until we get those things as far as our tummy tuck, our breast done, or whatever the case it may be. Now, you don't have to do anything to each its own once again. Everybody not for cosmetic surgery. Everybody don't want to nip and tuck their bodies. Hey, kudos to you. But you only get one life, so do what you please. It's your body. Do what you please. But if you would like to see how I got the girls lifting up with no bra, no bra, in this gorgeous dress. And I got these big old sag bags all up in your face with no bra on and sitting up like I just got my boobs done. You just keep on watching. Well, welcome back, you guys. So anyway, I am back, and like I told you, I am Avis, and we're gonna be talking about beauty hacks about how to get your boobies like this without wearing a bra. Okay, a bra. Throw that bra away. Throw it away. Because if you want to wear like those really low cut dresses and tops like this is the hack for you. Okay, so anyways, you guys, I posted a video maybe last year about this, and you guys want to see more hacks, but I wanted to show you how my boobies look now versus then. But anyway, what I used was, I didn't get no surgery, I didn't do no craziness. It's a little crazy. But what I did do is I used duct tape. Yes, you heard me right. I used duct tape. And what I do is first of all, I get me some 91% alcohol in a washcloth, and I cleanse my whole type of boob area. Take you to remove any type of oil, any dirt, any leftover dead skin. Of course you wash and all, but still you want to use some alcohol to remove any type of oil. You want your skin to be completely dry, oil-free, whatever. Whatever. And when I tell you, this has been on me for like an hour now. I have not went back to tape up anything or to do anything. It's been on for an hour. It has not popped loose or anything. And it's something that I kind of wear, when I want to do certain type of videos or pictures for Instagram or something like that. But anyway, after you do that, you can lie in the bed, or you can simply just stand up, and do it. And lift your boobie up, and then you take the tape and you place here. Make sure you already have it ripped off though, because you know how big your boobies are. And you rip it off, or you can measure too with the tape. Rip it off, put a piece underneath your breast, because you're going to use that to pull up your breast. And then make sure all of this is clean too, because this only works for tops that's like this. Cover up, not no halter top. Okay? And then you tape it here. And then you keep doing it like that, like so. quick fix for easy night on the town, sexy dress. And if you want to see what mine looks like, this is what it looks like. I never tried it with any clear tape. So if I get that question below, I don't know. I never tried it with clear tape. I always use duct tape because duct tape is like the tape to me. So I mean, I may try it with duct tape too, just to show you guys. But yeah, I'm very, very pleased with it. And I have an outfit of the outfit. I have a try on haul coming with this dress. So don't worry, it's coming. And it's from Dress Lily, by the way. And I think I got it in a large. I should have got it in a medium because the simple fact that it's loose around, very loose around my waist. In my stomach area, it's very loose. Think about getting someone to hem it up though. But anyways, that's how that looks. And I might just do a little stand-up video clip for you real quick. Hold on. Hold on. I already have a clip of me showing the dress. So I might just insert that in here instead of just I'm going to insert both of them. Forget it. I'm going to put both of them in here. So let me just show you right now me standing up. I'm going to move my chair out the way. Okay. This is the dress. You know, it's short. It's short. It's probably like for a nice out night on the town or with your spouse or what have you. And this is the boobie area. See, no bra, no nothing. Can't see anything. Be careful where you place your tape because you know you don't want it to be seen. Or you can get some double-sided tape, put it on the inside of your shirt or your dress top, and then put it right there on your skin. So guess what? It will not move all night. So that is one of my beauty hacks I wanted to show you guys. This is the dress. As you can see right here, it's very loose on me. You know, very loose on me. And this is my bottom. So it's like very loose, like right here around my butt. I wish it was the material that was like we use for like body cons or whatever. So it will be nice and tight. And as you can see now, how it's fitting me versus loose like that. And again, versus, let me put that back like that. And versus like, pull it tight in the back. There. Versus like that way it should be nice and snug. So I have an aunt that hems clothes or whatnot, so I'm thinking about letting her hem that up for me, so you know it could be fitting all night and make my waist all nice and tight. Hubby loved this dress on me. Actually, I tried it on for him yesterday. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and that's a nice beauty hack you guys can do. And even for like little spaghetti strap tops or whatever you choose, to each his own. Have fun with it. Just have fun with it. I love it. It's just one of my hacks I like to use, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I will see you guys next time. If you enjoyed this video, you want to see more beauty hacks that I'd like to do for myself, go ahead and give me a nice thumbs up, a comment below. You know, let me know I want to see more. You know, something like that. And comment what you think about it. What you think about the dress. Think about the hair, the makeup, everything. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching me, supporting me, and all that good jazz. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, you guys.